Once upon a time, in a dense, verdant forest, lived a young deer named Daisy. Daisy was unlike any other deer in the forest, for she was shy and timid, always hesitant to venture far from her mother. One day, as the sun was setting, Daisy's mother said, "Daisy, it's time for you to learn to forage for food on your own." Daisy felt a knot in her stomach, but nodded bravely. The next morning, Daisy set off with her mother's parting words echoing in her ears, "Remember, sweet Daisy, shyness can be a gift if you let it guide you." Daisy wandered the forest, her delicate hooves treading softly on the mossy ground. She came across a stream and saw a group of deer feasting on the lush grass on the other side. Daisy hesitated, unsure if she should cross. A wise old owl, perched on a nearby branch, saw Daisy's dilemma. He called out, "Young deer, shyness can protect you from danger." Daisy paused, considering the owl's words. As she continued her journey, Daisy encountered a patch of thorny brambles. Her shyness guided her to take a different path, leading her to a bountiful meadow filled with tender leaves and ripe berries. One day, a hunter ventured into the forest. He spotted the group of deer by the stream and raised his bow. But the deer, sensing danger, hurried away, leaving the hunter empty-handed. Daisy, however, was hidden in the meadow. Her shyness had saved her life. From that day forward, Daisy understood that her shyness was not a weakness, but a gift. The moral of the story is, shyness is not a weakness, but a gift that can guide us to safety and lead us to treasures hidden from those who rush headlong into danger.